Hello, in this video, I'd like to explain one cold, hard truth about life. And that is, we're always going to have income. We're always going to have some sort of income coming in order to live our lives. We're always going to have to eat and need food. We're always going to have shelter over our heads. We're always, hopefully, would like to have some money, some income to do the things we want to do, whether it's traveling, whether it's buying stuff for yourself or your family and friends. We always are going to have some kind of income coming in to pay the bills and to keep us safe and secure and healthy. If we get a doctor's, if we have to go to the doctors, or if we have to, some home maintenance emergency comes up, we're going to have some money to pay for it. And I don't care how old you are, you're going to have income coming in. Even if you're retired, senior citizen, you got your Social Security coming in or your retirement income coming in, we're always going to need it. And the sooner that you can understand, like, you're in control of your income and all the ways that you can make income, or just two or three that you master and become really good at, whether that's your job or your business you start, then you're going to be in a great position. And then you would be financially free, because you got this skill called making income, making money, creating income, that you're going to be all right no matter what happens. No matter what happens in the economy, no matter what happens to your so-called secure job, if you have already planned out and invested the time and energy to learning how to make income and learn how to create different income streams, you're going to be in good shape. Now, there's typically income is labeled under three umbrellas or three different categories. That's your earned income. That's what most people think of as income. Your job, your salary job or your hourly job, or you go out and do side hustles where you actively spend your time in order for money. That's earned income. Then you have portfolio income, which is really cool in the fact that you can put yourself in a position that you don't have to work, because your investment income, your portfolio income is paying you basically, essentially, whether it's with dividends or capital gains that you sell stocks and stuff. So that's your stocks, that's your bonds, all your investments that you might do. But what's the problem with investments? Isn't that nice? It sounds great to have all this money to invest, but how do you get the money? You have to create income. You have to have that input of income in order to invest. You can't invest without capital. So how do you make that capital? That's why it's so important. That's why it's a cold, hard fact of life that you're going to always need income. If you're trying to put yourself in a position to invest and have all this portfolio income so it can allow you to retire and travel the world or whatever you want to do, well, that's great, but you got to get to that point, and you got to have money, you got to have income coming in so you can invest. And the third category of income is passive income. So that's whether or not you are a landlord and you rent out, or you own property and apartments, so you have that passive income of the rental income coming in. If you write songs or music, you take photographs and you sell photographs, you got this big catalog of this creative work that you do, and you're earning royalties or different revenue from your creative work. That's passive income. If you create a YouTube channel and have a lot of videos that are constantly month in, month out getting views on it, that's going to pay you income if you have your channel monetized. Websites, there's a lot of passive income streams. You see that online with these gurus all the time about making passive income. It's not passive at first. Typically, you got to put some time, energy, sometimes money into those passive income streams. For example, if you want to invest in real estate or be in a position where you're getting rental income, you're going to have to buy the house or the apartment complex in the first place. We are all going to have income coming in for pretty much our entire lives. Why not get good at creating income. See it as a fun game that's enjoyable, that is powerful, gives you a lot of power when you know you can make income and you're in good positions. You can work because you want to, not because you have to. All those things are wonderful, and all those things come from the fact that you invested in yourself. You took the time to learn how to make income and create income. All right, so just because we need income the rest of our lives, pretty much, it's just a fact of life, doesn't mean that's a bad thing. It could be a wonderful, exciting thing that you can impact those around you, yourself, put yourself in a great position, put your community in a great position, put the world in a great position. You could do a lot of good things by pursuing the things that you want to do, the things that you're good at, because usually when we're good at the things and pursue the things we're interested in and good at, it shows. People pick up on that and they're like, wow, that's a pretty cool person. And the more you want to work, the more income you want to make, and the more you're in a position to give some back if you wanted to, or take care of those around you or your community or even the world if you donate to certain causes. So it is a fact of life that we're always going to need income, but that could be a wonderful, exciting, challenging thing that can leave you very fulfilled and put you in a position to be financially free and financially independent. So how about it? Let's learn how to create income. Let's enjoy that journey of creating income, making money, and you'll be just so fulfilled. I guarantee it, if you master your income making ability. All right, if you like this video, I appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you hadn't already, if you want those videos that show you how to learn how to make money, save money, invest money, so you can make money work for you, so you can work because you want to and not because you have to, and you can live life on your own terms, I appreciate it. You hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for all the latest videos that I'm going to roll out that will show you how to put yourself in a great position and show you how to make money and create all kinds of income that can leave you very self-fulfilled. All right, enough of me rambling. You take care.